Turks and Caicos. The name conjures up images of paradise. Think turquoise waters, pristine beaches, luxury resorts. But don't be fooled by the glitz and glamour. This Caribbean gem caters to every type of traveler. Whether you're a budget backpacker or a luxury jet setter, this island offers an unforgettable escape. This archipelago of 40 islands and cays boasts stunning natural beauty. The islands are fringed by coral reefs. These reefs teem with marine life. The beaches are soft with white sand. They stretch for miles. The interior is dotted with lush vegetation. This makes for amazing hiking and exploring. Turks and Caicos offer something for everyone. History buffs can explore colonial ruins. Divers can enjoy a vibrant underwater world. Foodies can savor fresh seafood and island specialties. And everyone can simply relax and soak up the sun. This is paradise found. Finding the perfect place to stay in Turks and Caicos depends on your budget. Options range from budget-friendly guest houses to extravagant 5-star resorts. Providenciales, nicknamed Provo, is the most developed island. It offers the widest range of accommodations. Budget travelers can find comfortable guest houses and small hotels in Provo. These often include kitchenettes. This allows you to save money by cooking some meals. Grand Turk, the historic capital, also offers affordable inns and guest houses. These are within walking distance of the island's attractions. Look for deals and discounts online for the best prices. For a luxurious splurge, consider the resorts on Grace Bay Beach in Provo. These offer world-class amenities and international flavors. Fresh seafood is a staple. Conch, a local delicacy, is served in various ways. Try conch salad, conch fritters, or cracked conch. For budget-friendly dining, explore local eateries and food shacks. These offer authentic flavors at affordable prices. Many restaurants on Grand Turk serve delicious and inexpensive local cuisine. Look for daily specials and set menus for the best value. Don't hesitate to ask locals for recommendations. They can steer you toward hidden culinary gems. For a more upscale dining experience, Provo offers many fine dining restaurants. Many are located within the resorts. These showcase innovative cuisine, often with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. For a truly memorable meal as you sit and enjoy a romantic beachfront dinner, savor fresh seafood while watching the sunset over the Caribbean Sea. The island offers an abundance of attractions for all interests. Grace Bay Beach is a must-visit. This iconic beach boasts crystal clear turquoise waters and soft white sand. It's perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and simply relaxing. For budget-friendly fun, pack a picnic and enjoy the day on the beach. Chalk Sound National Park is another must-see. This stunning natural wonder features a shallow turquoise lagoon dotted with small rocky islands. Rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the lagoon. Keep an eye out for iguanas and various bird species. For a unique experience, visit the glowworm tours on Grand Turk. Witness the mesmerizing bioluminescence of these tiny creatures on a moonless night. Several dive operators offer excursions for all levels. Explore shipwrecks, underwater canyons, and vibrant coral gardens. For an affordable underwater adventure, consider snorkeling. Many beaches offer excellent snorkeling opportunities right from the shore. This is a dream destination for every type of traveler. Whether you seek luxurious relaxation or budget-friendly adventure, the islands offer an unforgettable experience. From pristine beaches to world-class dining, there's something for everyone. Embrace the laid-back island vibe, soak up the sun, explore the underwater wonders, create memories that will last a lifetime. With careful planning and an adventurous spirit, you can experience the best of this island. Whether you indulge in luxury or stick to a budget, the island's beauty and charm will captivate you. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable Caribbean adventure. Turks and Caicos awaits.